Ever found yourself staring at your phone, waiting for that crucial payment to hit your account, and wondering, where in the world is it? Especially when you're using services like Beforepay, that promise quick access to your wages, that question becomes even more pressing. You're not alone. We've all been there, needing those funds, and the anticipation can be, well, a little stressful. Let's cut through the confusion today and get straight to the point. How long does Beforepay actually take to process payments? Before we dive into the specifics, it's important to understand what Beforepay is. In essence, it's a wage advance app. It allows you to access a portion of your upcoming pay before your actual payday. This can be a lifesaver for unexpected bills, emergencies, or just bridging the gap between pay cycles. Now, when you request a cash advance from Beforepay, the speed of the transfer depends on a few key factors. Primarily, it hinges on your bank and the time of day you make the request. Generally, Beforepay aims to process payments within a few minutes. However, a few minutes can sometimes stretch, and here's why. If you're with a major Australian bank, the process is usually seamless and rapid. These banks have streamlined systems that interact smoothly with Beforepay's platform, leading to near-instant transfers. However, if you bank with a smaller financial institution or a credit union, the processing time might be a bit longer. This is because these institutions might have different processing schedules or less direct integration with Beforepay. In these cases, it could take a few hours or even up to one business day. Another critical factor is the time of day you initiate the transfer. Requests made during business hours, particularly on weekdays, are typically processed faster. Conversely, requests made late at night, on weekends, or during public holidays might experience delays. This is simply because banks and processing systems might have reduced staff or limited operational hours during these times. Beforepay also mentions that they perform certain checks to ensure the security and legitimacy of the transaction. These checks, while necessary, can add a slight delay to the overall processing time. This is a good thing, though, as it protects you from potential fraud. So, to summarize, if you're with a major bank and make your request during business hours, you can generally expect the funds to arrive within minutes. If you're with a smaller bank or make your request outside of regular hours, you might need to wait a few hours or up to one business day. It's always a good idea to check Beforepay's app or website for any specific updates or notifications regarding processing times. They often provide real-time information or alerts if there are any known delays or issues. Ultimately, while Beforepay strives for speed and efficiency, the actual processing time can vary. Understanding these factors will help you manage your expectations and plan accordingly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.